Nigerian Genius.
We, the team ART from UNIUYO, we are very happy to be here. And today being the one, we really learned a lot. There was a whole lot of section and a whole lot of new things. As for me, this is my first time of being here. And from the first section, we had the CAD, that's Computer Aided Design section by Mr. Michael. We were taught on how to use the computer aided design, the applications of computer aided design, and I was very surprised to know that even if the fashion houses, we also use CAD for furniture, plan making for houses, and the whole rest. Then for 3D printing, still from the computer aided design process, then we went to the 3D printing and hands-on practice that we did. Class projects, we were to design a name tag and then we printed it with the 3D printing machine and got this. And also for the laser beam, this is also my first time of seeing laser beam machine and how it works. It cuts through and also engraves some letters on it. And then we had the CNC section. I also learned on how the machine can be moved from the X-axis, Y, Z, and the molding part of it. A whole lot. Like, they're very chill to be here.
Talking about the benefits, though this is not my first time of coming across some of this machine, like the CNC milling machine, 3D printing machine, the laser engraving machine, but I've really learned a lot. I also asked questions. We were given opportunity to ask questions, and I was able to ask a lot of questions. Maybe the things that I thought I knew well, I now realize that there is more to learn. So it's a very great opportunity to be here. Honestly, I'm grateful.
Yeah, as for me, I would say I choose a career path that had to do with design engineering because I always loved that, and I got to know much when I was younger about AutoCAD and CAD. So this exposure has really not just challenged me, but has shown me a broader path that I could work on.
I'm going to have a 100% precision in my works, and it also makes work very easy. Then for a 3D printing machine, and maybe I'm designing a particular system and I need some enclosure to put in, maybe for example my circuit design, my circuit board. I'm going to use a 3D printing machine to print out the enclosure, fix my components at the enclosure, and maybe probably sell it out.
Okay, and also for the part of the computer aided design, instead of where it can be applied, instead of using my ruler, pencil and a sheet and making all those errors and the rest, I can just use my computer aided design software to run that and then make the simple correction on it before making any printing. I've not had this experience before. Though we have this CNC machines, milling machine in our school, but based on my department, we're just doing introduction to it and not all hands-on practice. So being here, I've benefited hands-on practice on using the CAD, using the 3D printing machine, and then seeing how the CNC milling machine works, and even the laser beam machine as well. We, Team ART from UNIUYO, we are thrilled to be here. We are very happy for this great opportunity to be here. And we are saying thank you to CIC for giving us this great opportunity. Thank you for the exposure. Thank you for broadening our mind to different tools, design, and being here. We are saying thank you for this opportunity.
The Nigerian Genius.